Okay, for the sake of the video, the flour here, I'm going to call it your hardener. So the hardener is the first thing that you'll put into your bowl. You're going to need like a round bowl of some kind that you don't care about, that you can throw away or whatever. Or you're going to immediately have to clean. I'm pretty sure you're going to want to throw it away. Because, yeah, it's going to get pretty nasty and hard in there. So, basically what it's saying is you put your hardener in, which, for the sake of this, I went with a 1/4 cup. So, you'll have your hardener in. Oh, crap. You'll have your hardener in there first, all right? And then what you're going to do is you need to go with double the amount of your hardener is what you'll use of the resin. So, you know, that's a lot, a 1/4 cup. So, you know, this is like the most terrible example, but I don't really have anything that is going to be comparable. But you're gonna, you know, you will pour the two together, and then, crap, I don't have anything to mix with. Where's the spoon? Anyways, you know, spoon. Okay, so then for 3 to 5 minutes, you'll need to stir and stir and stir. You know, I'm sure you know, stir, and you want to, you know, get all the bubbles and everything. It says don't stir fast to avoid bubbles. This is just a terrible, you know, example of the two products. I don't have anything that can make a fiberglass type comparison. I mean, the best I can do is flour and water. But, you know, you want to keep stirring. And they said on your mold, what you need to do whenever you have your mold, you'll want to use... I don't know, they said to put plastic in the mold, but that's gonna end up messing up the mold. And look, I don't know how that would work, because it would make it wouldn't make it nice and round and pretty and everything. So I don't know how that works out. But whenever you go to pour, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to pour. You know, say this is your mold, and I'm going to make a huge mess, but you're going to want to pour from the front, and you'll want to pour slowly. That way, whenever it pours in, it's going to pour in to the bottom, and then, you know, start filling up like that, and then you know, you want to keep pouring from, you know, right here in your mold to where it goes in and the bubbles have a chance to come out. So you want to pour slow and from the front, you know, if you will. You don't want to like pour in the middle or pour, you know, choose a side and pour from there and pour slow. That way, you know, it'll fill up nicely.